So I'm excited to invite Ryan from Dragages. He is the Deputy BIM Manager. He has been using Fuzor for almost 10 years, as I mentioned in the beginning. Ryan is what we would call a true Fuzor power user. He was mastering Fuzor long before he joined Dragages, right? And he actually used the Fuzor tender submissions. So maybe I got like a couple of questions for Ryan, and then for while I am asking questions, okay, for the attendee, if you have any questions for the speakers or you have questions for Fuzor, yeah, just feel free to type in the chat box or in the Q&A. So Ryan, right, let's start with your story. Ryan, you have been using Fuzor for nearly a decade. What made you switch from other software to Fuzor?
Hello, Grace. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Maybe I will share. Yeah.
Uh, okay. Hi, Grace, and hello to everyone. It's my honor to be here on behalf of Dragages. That is correct. While I have extensive experience with platforms like 3D Max, Enscape, and Twinmotion, none of them compare to Fuzor when it comes to managing complex technical workflows. Fuzor possesses a distinct advantage in its seamless integration of 4D BIM sequencing and precise construction methodology animations. This unified environment allows us to translate technical site logistic into highly accurate, impactful visualizations that clearly communicate project timelines and risk mitigation strategies to our stakeholders.
Oh, okay, right. Yeah, so thank you so much for your sharing. Yeah, compared to other software, right, Fuzor is really good to demonstrate the technical effort statements, really reflect the construction methodology. So maybe would you like to share a little bit? Okay, what are you using Fuzor for?
Okay. Yes, that is correct. Fuzor serves as our primary go-to platform at Dragages for all 4D BIM sequencing and complex construction animation workflows. We rely heavily on its robust capabilities to simulate, visualize, and optimize our project schedules before breaking ground, making it a cornerstone tool for our digital construction strategy.
Yeah, so it is okay, really true. And then in the tender stage, you got a very limited of time. And then for most of the time, so you have to prepare multiple tenders at the same time, right? So what do you see as the biggest benefits during the tender stages? And then what gives Fuzor the biggest edge when you are trying to win a bid?
Okay, the primary advantage of incorporating Fuzor in our tender submission is its unparalleled capability in delivering precise 4D sequences and construction methodologies. By leveraging Fuzor's advanced sequencing, multi-track animation tools, and extensive equipment library, we can transform complex engineering data into clear, step-by-step visual narratives. This allows us to demonstrate our proposed construction methods with exceptional clarity, ensuring the client easily understand our technical strategy. Ultimately, this capability gives us powerful edge by proving our operational readiness and mitigation perceived project risk during the bidding phase.
Oh yeah, so I think we all maybe understand and know the strength of Fuzor is really good, right? Especially it is very fast, okay, to communicate the 4D sequence, the method statement, site logistic or animations. However, I noticed that maybe for some users, they found that it is quite tricky to render good output. You have actually managed to match the top tier quality though, right? So you can create a really good output. So what is your secret? And then how do you do it? And then I know that you also prepare examples to show the audience today. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. At Dragages, our process is entirely a collaborative team effort, and we are highly confident that our rendering and animation outputs in Fuzor fully rival the quality of traditional dedicated rendering platforms. While Fuzor is widely celebrated for its speed in 4D sequencing and method statement, we have proven that with the right internal workflows, you do not have to compromise on visual quality. Our teams have successfully bridged that gap, allowing us to deliver highly detailed, top-tier visualizations directly within our virtual design and construction pipeline. Uh, Let me share my we collected from our previous projects in Dragages. We combined images of interior and exterior animation, day scene and night scene, primarily to demonstrate the Fuzor capability at its peak or full potential so far. Here are some of our sample from our recent projects. So you guys can see this. I will play now. So this is just a short video. Uh, this one, we're just playing around how the realistic mode. So we have basic, we have realistic mode in Fuzor. Sometimes we have also black and white and wireframe. This one is the realistic. This is to show the full potential of rendering. And this one from our latest project is a financial institution. We have a night mode rendering here. So using user from user libraries and lighting, playing along with brightness, saturations, and intensity, we can achieve this quality. And this one here is our previous project from MTR. We render, the client is asking for a good rendering output. So we use the Fuzor to do this. Grace, can you believe this?
Yes, I cannot believe it. It is really great, right? Yeah, so I'm excited to see how you guys like, okay, figure out a way
Uh,
that you
and this is
can,
exterior
yeah.
from recent project uh, uh, from DSD project we just finished. So those are just or we just combined just this day. So pardon for our late presentation, and I don't have a sound here. But that's is our output. Okay.
Yeah, so okay. Orion, thank you so much for your for sharing your work, right? Is that really okay, amazing and awesome that okay, so not Fuser not only offer a very like okay fast workflow, okay, accurate presentation of the construction methodology. At the same time, if you need high quality output, right, then you can use our software because in the tender stage, you really have a very short period of time, especially for very complex projects. So you don't need to optimize the models. Just one click, you can bring all the data to our software. And then I know that way you have to handle like multiple projects at the same time. Yeah, so I think this is really good that you can develop this kind of library. Then it also supports your team that you have been using Fuser for 10 years. Or, okay, for the tender stage, though, yeah, some challenges, but you can overcome that, right? So I think it really like okay, so thank you so much for sharing your expertise, right? So do you have any tips or okay to the audience? So how can you like okay enhance like the visual output of Fuser? So although the visual output Fuser is also looks very good, right? But the most important is that is to be able to communicate the technical information, right? Do you have any tips and tricks okay to some of the users who would like to okay know more about how to create such a okay photorealistic output?
Yes, based on my years of experience with Fuzor, my top recommendation for beginners is to approach the software with an ambitious and creative mindset. Do not limit your ideas based on what you assume the technology can do. Quite often, you will discover that Fuzor already has a built-in feature or command designed specifically to execute your exact vision. This explanatory mindset is the key to unlock the platform's full potential. Furthermore, never hesitate to leverage the Kalok and Grace, of course, support teams. Their exceptional guidance is great for verifying workflows and confirming technical capabilities as you learn. Thank you.
Oh yeah, so thank you, Ryan, right? So yeah, really like appreciate that. Okay, you have an open mindset. There's unlimited potential with Fuzor. Okay, just don't use your mindset of using other software and then to match that. So Fuzor is not a copycat, right? So Fuzor is the next generation one. So we have a new workflows, okay, new approach, a new work, a new method, okay, to okay help you to deliver the digital submissions. Yeah, so if you're open-minded, then you can find a lot of like new stuff in our software. So thank you so much for Ryan sharing your experience and also your expertise, right? Now I would like to also ask like Nour a couple of questions. Yeah, so I think Nour has already shared many use cases of the micro scheduling in their projects. So I would like to ask Nour, the question is that would you like to elaborate a little bit more okay, how micro scheduling capabilities can help your engineers and also the project managers visualize and plan complex tasks because sometimes they cannot visualize of the tasks. Yeah, so this is my first question.
So actually, the biggest shift has been in how the teams communicate. So before, we had different project we had different engineers, architects, and site managers, and all working from different documents and interpretations. So actually, Fuzor has helped us bring everyone to the same visual environment, which has cut down on a lot of misunderstandings and reduced the back and forth conversations significantly. So we've also seen better coordination during the planning phase. It has helped us a lot in clash detection and issue management before they can happen inside. So this has actually helped us save a lot of time and cost. So overall, it has made our workflow more smooth and the team more connected and more aligned. So
Oh
yes.
yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm happy to say that okay, Redcon Construction actually use Fuzor okay for different use cases. Especially you mentioned about issue checking. That maybe some of the users have not started using it, and also the clash detections. Yeah, so I think the team really excel micro scheduling. Okay, that is at the core. Uh, New application offered by Fuzor. Yeah, because Fuzor, as I mentioned in the beginning, maybe for the okay master program you prepare in the P6, you haven't considered the site activity. Therefore, Fuzor offer a micro scheduled set to help you to really plan those maybe giant macro tasks. Yeah, so really okay happy to see how you guys have been successfully okay implement micro scheduling okay to your projects, right? Yeah, again, right? I will ask the same questions. So that is what have been the biggest benefits your team okay has experienced since your company adopt Fuzor?
Actually, it's the communication mainly. In our projects, we have a lot of moving parts, multiple teams working simultaneously across complex site conditions and tight timelines. So having a tool that lets our engineers and project managers actually visualize the schedule in a 3D simulation environment instead of just reading it or seeing some tasks that they could not visually relate it to each other. This has really helped change how decisions get made. That if we can see it simulated, this has changed a lot in our projects. It has really changed decisions, many decisions, um, because it actually the simulation really helps seeing the thing is 100 times better than just reading it from a specific schedule or